It is a pleasure that you are with me again. I hope you and your pet are well. Today we will talk about the following: inflammation in dogs, symptoms and causes. Let's start. Inflammation is your dog's body's response to injury or infection. The body sends blood-containing white blood cells to the problem area in an attempt to heal itself. Once there, the white blood cells try to prevent further damage or allow the disease to spread. While it is a natural defense of the body that serves an important purpose, it is important to note that inflammation is often painful. Inflammation comes in two forms: acute and chronic. Each one is a little different and occurs in response to different types of stimuli. Acute inflammation has a sudden onset and usually occurs as a reaction to an injury, such as a sprain or fracture. Chronic inflammation is ongoing and is the result of long-term disease, toxin, or environmental stress. Several canine diseases and illnesses cause inflammation, including arthritis, gastritis, and skin problems, such as a yeast infection. Inflammatory responses can range from mild to severe, and those involving the eyes, nose, or mouth require immediate veterinary treatment. 1. What are the symptoms of inflammation in dogs? The most common signs of inflammation in dogs are: redness. Inflammation causes increased blood flow to an area, making the redness more easily seen between your dog's toes, around the eyes, and on the belly. Redness can also be due to friction or irritation. Swelling. The body swells in response to injury or infection because blood vessels enlarge as white blood cells rush to the area to repair it. An example of this is the localized swelling seen after an insect bite. Heat. Swollen areas are often warm to the touch, especially in the extremities. You don't have to grab or manipulate the site to find out, just rest your hand on it gently if your dog allows it. Pain. Inflammatory responses cause pain. Some dogs show pain more easily than others by whining, limping, or licking the area, but others may mask the pain or control it. Other signs of pain include restlessness, unexplained aggression, and a lack of interest in playing. Loss of function. A dog with inflammation may limp, walk slowly, or refuse to move due to pain. This is especially common in sprains, ligament tears, or chronic conditions, such as arthritis in dogs. Behavior changes. Dogs experiencing inflammation may spend more time sleeping or even appear restless. Your pup may also be more irritable than usual. That sudden snap or growl is simply that he's in a bad mood, like us humans when we're not feeling well. Change in the way you eat and drink. Hidden digestive inflammation can upset your dog's stomach and reduce his appetite. The same goes for tooth inflammation that can make eating and drinking painful. If you notice any of these symptoms in your dog, you should make an appointment with your vet for an exam. An emergency visit is a must for severe reactions, such as those that affect breathing or cause tremendous pain. 2. What are some of the causes of inflammation in dogs? The most common causes of inflammation in dogs are: injury. When a puppy falls, the body reacts with localized swelling at the site of the injury. Busy. Many dogs work and play a lot, which is hard on the body. Overuse of a muscle group triggers a repair response, leading to inflammation. The same goes for sudden increases in exercise after a prolonged period of inactivity. Infection. White blood cells fight infection, going to the site of injury or illness to work their magic. The result is not always pretty, especially with wounds that can swell or ooze. Food intolerance. Some ingredients may not sit well with your dog's stomach and cause digestive upset, such as vomiting and diarrhea. As with humans, these foods irritate the stomach or intestines, causing internal inflammation. Stress. Dogs are so sensitive, and a change in routine can negatively affect their health, especially in older and more fragile dogs. Other environmental stresses like toxins or uncontrolled allergies can also trigger inflammation. Sometimes it can be difficult to detect inflammation, but you know your dog best. Contact your vet if you notice any changes in his behavior, eating and drinking tendencies, or bathing habits. Would you like to have more professional information, and especially updated about your dog? Visit the website below in the description of this video. Do not stop subscribing to the channel, comment, and share the video. You are very well, thank you.